All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this, I got something pretty cool here. This is the F95 Turtle 95T in the house, but this is the CCKS Spring 2023 show exclusive from Shirogorov. This is the certificate of authenticity. This is a Kova leather pouch. You can stick your coin right over here and your knife right over there, and you get, of course, your high-tech gear, titanium chip. In this case, this fella is matching the subtle blue anodization going on, matching your knife and your coin. So it's a pretty cool show exclusive. I mean, it's an iconic knife. Look at that. It's the Turtle F95 with some little details that are standing out. I mean, of course, like the chip and the leather pouch are great. You have the blue anodization, which is subtle. It's a light blue. Anodization for these milled pockets. Of course, you get the spacer, you get some internally blue anodized right over here also. And of course, in the back, mainly you get S90V steel, which is reserved to custom division, so higher end knives for sure. And here you have in your custom in your production, let's say, but limited edition F95 Turtle. Really cool knife. You can also check my Generation 4 Turtle review to get a little bit more details. This is just like a quick video to get just to get to show you a little bit more in detail this show exclusive, which is pretty cool. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.